for this new way of teaching and learning. In this video, we shall discuss the meaning of research. We know that curiosity is the special feature of human being. Curiosity means desire to know. We are curious to know. We are interested in knowing ourselves, our planet, other planets, and the universe as a whole. Many questions arise in our mind about these things. Whenever a question arises, we seek answer to them. Whenever we face problems, we seek their answers. This is a kind of research. Research is finding out solutions to the problems or answers to the questions, and this is the basis of human progress. We know that we have made a tremendous progress in different areas of life, maybe in science, technology, social sciences, natural sciences, etc. The basis of human progress is finding out solutions or answers to the problems or questions that we face in day-to-day life. A systematic search for answers to the questions, solutions to the problems is called as research. Simply, research is search for knowledge. In the process of research, what we do? We go on searching knowledge, or we go on seeking knowledge in the different fields of human life. Research, in other words simply, is search for facts, answers to questions, and solutions to problems. Research is a purposive investigation, purposive inquiry. Without purpose, research has no meaning. Behind every research, there is some intention of the researcher. There is some objective of the researcher. Research is an organized inquiry. Means what? Research is done systematically. While conducting research, the different factors, the different elements that affect on research are taken into account or are considered by the researcher. Research seeks to find explanations of unexplained phenomena. Just I told you, we have made a tremendous progress in the different fields of life, but still there are a number of unexplained phenomena in this universe. Through research, researchers try to explain unexplained phenomena in the universe. Then we have doubt about some things in the universe. We have made some doubtful propositions about them. These propositions we try to clarify through the process of research. Means, research is made to clarify doubtful propositions and to correct misconceived facts we have assumed in a wrong way. Different events, different phenomena in the universe. We have made wrong assumptions about them. These assumptions, these misconceived facts, we try to correct through the research. Simply, Research is finding out explanations of unexplained phenomena to clarify doubtful propositions and to correct misconceived facts about the human life, about this universe. Now the question is how research is made. There are two ways of research, or there are two methods of research. First one is arbitrary method. In this method, there is no scope for intellectual inquiry. There is no scope for intellectual investigation. In this method, people or researchers try to find out answers of the questions which they face in their day-to-day life on the basis of their imagination, on the basis of their opinions, blind beliefs, old beliefs, traditions, customs, or on the basis of their impressions. Here, scientific approach is not applied to the process of finding out answers to the questions. This method simply is based on imagination, opinions, blind beliefs, older beliefs, and impressions of the people. I would like to tell you two examples in this regard. One, in the past days, people assumed that the shape of the earth was flat, which is not true. The shape of the earth is not flat, but in past days, people believed that the shape of the earth was flat. The second, in the past days, people believed that a big snake swallows the sun or moon, causing solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. Actually, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse happens in a different way. But in past days, people believed that a big snake swallows the sun, causing solar eclipse. The moon causing lunar eclipse, which is not true. The second method is scientific method. Scientific method applies a scientific approach, a rational approach to the research. Here the researcher tries to find out facts. Here researchers seek facts by applying a scientific approach or a rational approach. Here researchers draw conclusions, draw results on the basis of verifiable facts, means on the basis of empirical data, on the basis of actual informations available to the researchers. Here there is no scope for mere imagination, opinions, blind beliefs, and impressions. This method applies, in simple words, a scientific or rational approach to the research. In short, you can say that there are different methods of research that we shall discuss later on. But generally, research is made, research is done by two ways. First one is arbitrary method. This method was followed by the people in the past days. Even in some backward nations, people are following this method. But this is not the actual research. Second method is scientific methods. This method is actually used by the people. By using this method, man has discovered number of things. Man has discovered number of unknown facts about the nature. This method is used for discovering new facts about the human life or for making inventions of different types. Scientific method is widely used method of research. Presently, this method is applied for doing research. The earlier method has no scope in the present days.